Hey everyone, my name is Hydro and today we are going to be taking a look at the Amethyst shard blocks and all of its crafting recipes in this video. So make sure to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe if you aren't already. And now let's begin. And so starting with the Amethyst shard, and as of right now it is only included in 3 crafting recipes. So as you guys can see in this chest we have the spyglass, the block of amethyst, and then something new called the tinted glass, which is awesome. So firstly, starting off with the spyglass, you only require 1 amethyst shard along with 2 copper ingots, and it's pretty straightforward. I have already made a video on the spyglass in yesterday's video. Go ahead and check that out if you would like. And anyway, so this is the block of amethyst, which you only require 4 instead of 9 amethyst shards, which is really great. And over here, this is the tinted glass, and the main difference between tinted and the normal stained glass, I'm going to show you guys right now. So this is the tinted glass and this is the normal stained glass, and right away you can see the difference. This looks way cooler and it's much better. And one more thing is that it does not have all 16 colors. This is the only color that tinted glass comes in, whereas for stained glass, it includes all the 16 colors that are there in Minecraft, which is really awesome. And also when you use this, you get 2 tinted glass and not 1. But anyway, so enough of that. And over here we have the amethyst block, as you know. And over here, this is the budding amethyst, all right? And basically the use for budding amethyst, actually, let me set it to nighttime, all right? All right, so time is night, all right? So as you guys can see, and then over here, we'll just grab any amethyst bud. Remember, these are buds and these cannot be obtained in survival mode. I mean, you can find them in geodes, amethyst geodes, but you cannot obtain them with a pickaxe as such. So you cannot do that. Otherwise, let me just show you what will happen. So I'm going to show you, look at this guys. So there is a small amount of light coming from this. And now I'm going to break it with the pickaxe. And as you guys can see, so I did not get that block whatsoever. And then this is the medium. So as you guys can see, it emits a bit more light. And now I'm going to break this and I did not get it. And this is the large, which emits the most light. And yeah, again, you cannot really gain this, obtain this. And it makes a weird crackling sound when you break it, I should say. And so these are basically the amethyst buds, and this is the amethyst budding block, all right? So I think you cannot obtain this either. So you cannot obtain the amethyst budding block either. You can only obtain the amethyst block because you can craft it as well, so it doesn't matter. But anyway, so and over here, so like I mentioned, these are the amethyst buds. And then this is not an amethyst bud, so this is a cluster of amethyst. And for this, for obtaining this cluster, all right, so you'll need a silk touch pickaxe, otherwise you'll just get 4 shards. You'll get 4 shards by breaking the cluster. And the only way you can break the cluster with obtaining the shards is by using a iron pickaxe and above. So iron, diamond, and netherite pickaxe. These are the only pickaxes that will work, and you'll get the amethyst shards from the amethyst clusters. And to get the amethyst cluster itself, you'll need a silk touch pickaxe, obviously. And yeah, so this is the amethyst and all of its recipes and usefulness. This is an in-depth tutorial on this block. So if you guys did enjoy it, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe if you aren't already. And in the meantime, go ahead and check out some of my other videos that are on your screen right now. And I'll catch you guys over there. Now, see ya.